Skyrocket your views with Square videos for Instagram. Let me introduce you to the all-powerful Square video format. Instagram has over 500 million users. That's huge potential for your business. And what's the best way to get your video seen by more users? Well, you produce easy viewing Square video that requires no effort to watch. So, how do you do that? BIGVU makes video creation so simple, your dog could do it. In fact, you can produce the slickest videos without any video know-how and in no time at all. Using a simple drag and drop feature, you can place your visuals on the storyboard timeline. Tailor your videos on mobile for Facebook and Instagram when users view in autoplay mode. Not only will users view your content with little effort, you'll grab their attention with overlaying text without the need to click through. Click to view your video in multiple formats across landscape, portrait, and square. Use the preview window to see how your video looks on mobile, in each format, in real time. Select templates to create attention-grabbing slideshows. Simply drag and drop images, video shots, and tweets to your storyboard. Create striking photo visuals with automatic zoom animation and blurred backgrounds, all optimized to Square aspect ratio. Create scenes from tweets. Select relevant posts and drop them into your storyboard for stunning visual effects. This is great for testimonials, comments, or news around your brand. All the content you create will automatically be fine-tuned for Square video format. Add your logo and sponsor banner to increase brand awareness. Include your brand signature to your intro and outro slides and pick transitions between slides. You can even put video inside your main video frame. It's that simple.